Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hey, what's up, my gingerbread and jelly bean? Today is Thursday. As you know, I'm in Florida. So Hurricane Matthew is here. It's upon us right now. I'm going to give you guys a little view of the neighborhood. Rain is falling, so I won't really be in the rain and stuff like that. But I'm just going to show you some of the neighborhoods and how they batten down and stuff. Well, right now where I am, the eye of the storm is projected to hit us. So I'm going to show you. Well, this is the window first of all, so batten down the window and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you guys what's going on. So as you can see, the windows over there battening down. So people have been battening down and things like that. So this right now we're getting like normal wind. It might pick up, as you can see. Let me zoom in some more. You see the trees them start dancing and stuff. That's regular for hurricanes. When hurricane come in and the wind and stuff like that, you're going to have the trees dancing. For the persons that are not used to hurricanes, most of the persons in the States, most of you are not used to hurricanes, so you guys might be used to tornado and stuff like that, but the hurricane packing wind and rain, so that's very dangerous. They say projected to rise about 3 to 5 feet. If that really happened, then it would be bad for us because the houses are low to the ground and we just want the water to flow off. So I want it to flow off. I want to show you guys the back, but it's raining and I just shower so I can't go out in the rain, but it's coming. I'll be keeping my eye on the storm. The good thing about the hurricane or the neighborhood is that the trees, they don't have any like fruits on them. It's not fruit trees like palm trees and stuff like that. They don't have anything that can missile like mango, orange, breadfruit, like trees that we have in the Caribbean. They don't have those that can send things and hit your windows. You might have trees falling down or the big palm tree branches coming out, but that's as far as it goes. So right now it's trickling down and it's 6:45. So I'm just outside looking at, little rain. It's normal rain. This is nothing yet. Nothing is going on yet. Like the storm is not here yet. We might be getting a little of the outer band, so that's how we're experiencing rain right now. And the clouds are moving faster than they normally do. I'm not even sure if you can see even the water droplets or anything like that. But as far as it now, nothing really. Well, the wind is picking up back. Yeah. This seems like it though. Yeah. The wind is picking up back. I'm not sure if you hear the sound. But yeah. I'm going to show you the roof. Little bit of the roof. Alright, look at the roof right there. You see the wind. So you see the wind kind of blowing off already. So the rain coming down back now. So I'm just going to stand here for a little bit. So you guys see what's going on. If you get too strong, listen people. I won't play hero and stay at this storm and get wet. You understand? The breeze is not strong enough to take me away, but I won't stay in the storm and video this and get wet. I'm not getting wet for YouTube. Because I'm going to go in my bed and stay warm and nice and hope the electricity stays. No, the worry that I have with electricity grid here, it's similar to Jamaica, where the light come from the light post and come to the house, and those are wires. When you have heavy wind, when you have strong wind, it might break off the wires and people can get electrocuted if the grid is not cut off, if the power is not cut off from the grid. So I'm going to show the light post where it runs. Most in Jamaica know this, or most in other states where your electricity run from the light post. I'm not sure about the big cities like New York where everything run underground. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So right there. And the thing is, they have the wooden posts, right? most of the posts in Jamaica have been upgraded to concrete, which is much more stronger. But these are wooden posts and electric wires right there. So that is very important. That connects the electricity. So that is what I have to keep an eye on. So if that pull off, then we lose electricity to the house. That goes to the house. So yeah. So you can see a little palm tree right there. Oh yeah, so far just normal wind. Is it have normal like rain? You have normal wind, that's all. That's all that's going on right now in Fort Pierce where I am. So nothing exciting, nothing, to blow up. You see the trees them blowing all over the place. Nothing like that excitement that start it, you understand? So that is what I want to show you guys, but I probably won't be getting that, and I want to edit this and put it up before the light goes away, if it's going away anyway on the internet. But what I want to say though, guys, ensure that you're watching the storm. If you're inside your house, if you're in Florida right now, I have a few friends in Florida. If you're in Florida, do not just lock your door and not look outside. Watch the storm, watch the water level, watch what is going on. Don't be inside your house being all cozy and think that, oh, I can't be flooded out or anything like that. You have to watch the storm. This is what Jamaicans do. Most time we're outside like this, watching the storm in a safe area where we know the concrete is like a wall is there to block things from flying at you, and you know you're in a safe space, but you're on the outside of your dwelling, your house. What you need to do is watch it. If you don't watch the storm, you can be flooded out, just like that. So you have to watch the storm, watch what's going on, look at the water level, ensure that you're on top of things, and ensure that everything is battened down. You don't want to be inside, everybody inside, and boom, your roof gone, and then you don't know what to do. You understand? So every now and then, look outside, shine a flashlight, look where the water level is, watch the storm. You understand? Careful, just watch your surrounding and be very careful. So that's my advice to you. Stay safe, get candles, get flashlight, ensure that your water is stored already. Get your canned stuff, continue to watch the news, communicate with your friends and your family and even your neighbors. If anybody really need help, you go out there and help them. So me personally, I'm at the back, but I'll be at the front every now and then looking through the door, and seeing where the water level is, because that's very important. I won't be inside and the roof is safe and the house is safe and then we're flooded out. You cannot do that. So I'll be inside, my grandma as well, and we'll be watching the rain and seeing what really going on with it. So I just want to give you guys that advice and ensure that you keep safe and don't be too scared. Have a brave heart, brave up and head, hit the storm head on, hit my head on and show him say you're bad. You understand? So just keep safe, people. A lot of you have never experienced hurricane before. I've experienced a few hurricanes before. Yeah, so we're prepared for it though. As you can see, these windows again, they're strong. Hurricane windows and stuff. So I'm just watching the hurricane and things. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. I'll give you guys more update as it go on. Shoot my face beard up. Thanks to the new subscribers. Somebody else subscribed yesterday, so thanks very much for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoy all my footage, all my content, everything that I'm posting about Matthew, and I'm just keeping my regular days posting. Even in the storm, I'm still posting. So focus camera. So thanks again, guys, for watching, and I really, really appreciate it. Prior goes to everybody in Florida. Yeah, stay blessed, people. Stay safe. Let me get this focus going. Stay safe and just enjoy the storm. Alright guys, blessings. I'm out.
Don't play with a dog.